We are live, and there's very few times and as you know, the reason I say we're live is because we are live, and I rarely do a retake, if ever. People even want me to take stuff down and this and that, but I mean, guys, we're live, and it's an interview, and that's the way it goes. Have I done an interview that I don't like? Yes, okay, but that's the way it works. That's the wonderful thing about the interview. But anyway, from time to time, I have been known to do a retake, and this is one of those moments. I recorded a video earlier talking about these small cap coins that are poised to really explode, and the opportunity that everybody has to take advantage of it. And it was so funny because I did my calculations wrong. Some stuff was happening. I was about to get into an interview with the event chain with my man Ashton, and anyway, I did it wrong. So I just couldn't put that video out. So this is a second take. Anyway, point is this, guys. There's been some conversation, a lot of conversation about the AltSeason. Is the AltSeason going to start? This, that, and the other. Someone tweeted me this morning, and they said, Bruce, are you bullish or bearish on altcoins? And the truth is that I am bullish on certain altcoins, and let me explain it to you. There are certain altcoins that have been in the space, and this is what I said back in the tweet. If the coin has been around, especially if it's a mineable coin, okay? But if the coin's been around for 3 to 5 years, and it's skidded across the crypto winter, and then as Bitcoin pumped back up from $3,000 to $10,000, still took on that, which was a lot. Okay, I mean, you can see what happened to a lot of the Ethereum and Bitcoin Cash and everybody. It has been a bit of an onslaught. But if you look at these coins, and I have a little bit of a formula, and I want to share it with you because it's a huge opportunity that the average person has to really do something special here. And this is not financial advice. Past performance does not equal future results and all that good stuff, okay? But if you take a company like GlobalBoost, my company, and there's some other ones out there too. Of course, I'm biased, but we do a lot. But if the company has around $1 million to $5 million market cap, and it has been into the tens of millions before, and it's 3 to 5 years old. I like if it's mineable too, okay? And they are doing other things. It's active, okay? And it's not just a coin. So we have, of course, our Washington Elite Summit that we produce, a quarterly summit. We're going to be in the Palace October 11th and 12th, Washington Elite A.I Blockchain Summit. We have our SMS send that we do. We work with a lot of different other companies. I, of course, have a big mouth. I'm fairly well known in the space. I speak all over the place. I will be head to Asia here very soon. I'll be in Singapore for the big conference there. Speaking, of course, in Bangkok as well. Bali. My own summit. I'm the host of big summits. So anyway, there's a lot to the GlobalBoost. So also, we brought some original code into the space. We're the first to bring YesScript as a hashing algorithm into blockchain. So that's something else too. But you don't have to have all that. It just needs to be active, needs to have a team, needs to have people involved. $1 million to $5 million rounds, okay? Around $1 million to $5 million market cap rounds, 3 to 5 years old. And here's what you're looking at. The way I chart the stuff is we hit 23 million market cap before, okay? And the way I chart this stuff, we're going to hit 100 million market cap rounds when Bitcoin goes into this major parabolic pump, which we all know is going to happen. Now, when that happens, and it won't just be GlobalBoost, it'll be, there's a few of them. You can do your own research and you can check them out. But if you were to invest $5,000 into one of these $1 million low cap coins, active people, good people that you know, and that you know, and that are doing it. They're not going to go anywhere. Look, guys, if it's been 5 years, okay, we're GlobalBoost 5-year anniversary is this month. 5 years, okay? And we actually had another coin before that. So if it's been 5 years or 3 to 5 years and the company is still around, guys, they're not going anywhere, okay? They're in it for the long haul. And when this altcoin space goes crazy and the quote-unquote alt season happens, you're going to see these things. And that's what I said the other day. You're going to see like 1,000 times on some of them, okay? But let's just say we'll go 100 times, right? So if and when the Bitcoin goes parabolic and the $1 million market cap goes to $100 million market cap, if you have $5,000 invested, if you have $5,000 invested in the coin, it's worth $500,000. And that's where I got my number mixed up. Okay, that's the number. If you do $50,000, if you have $50,000 in some of these low caps and they go parabolic, which is what the altcoin space is going to do, you can look at the total crypto market cap and it's around $250 billion. And guys, it's freaking laughable. It's laughable. Okay, it has been, I'm fairly certain, up to $750 billion. So you have that right there. Total crypto market cap. We're looking at a total crypto market cap of $2 trillion at least, okay, in the very near future. But if you take $50,000 and you put it in one of these low caps, it's worth $5 million. $5,000 turns into $500,000. $50,000 turns into $5 million, and this is how people do it. You know, with the that's people trade currencies for these types of reasons. So again, it's not investment advice. Past performance does not equal future results. But I want you to understand that's the conversation going on right now, and that's why the conversation is going on. And another thing you want to look at is the supply. Okay. And that's another big winner, of course, with my coin. It's our second coin. So the first coin we had, you know, billions of coins. And not saying that's, you know, that can work, but it's a lot of coins. This one, we have a total coins right now of about 17.5 million. It's mineable. It's original code. So there's a lot of reasons why it's going to happen. And of course, I have a heck of a roadshow. You guys know me. So anyway, that is why I believe that's why I'm bullish on altcoins, and those are the altcoins that I'm bullish on. So if you have any questions, let me know. And I guess our main exchange right now is Free Exchange, FREI exchange, honest guys, and you can pick some up there. You know, that's probably you can decide. Okay, and there's some other ones too. So huge opportunity that we have. You know, the thing about blockchain is that it is currently impossible to counterfeit. Okay, it's impossible to counterfeit. If you have a GlobalBoost coin, or if you have a Bitcoin or Litecoin or any of these other coins, it's impossible to counterfeit, and it's also currently impossible to be seized. So without going too far into that, you really have something, okay? You have something you can tuck away, you can hide somewhere, you can really have something that can't just be snapped. You know, if once you give your money to the bank, it's the banks, and then they lend it to you, basically. I mean, you know, people ask what happens when I send my money to, or when I, you know, buy crypto. Well, I mean, yeah, it's digitized or whatever. What do you think happens when you put it in the bank? They don't hold your money. You know, they just give you the ledger and tell you it's there. And if you're nice, they let you pull it out. I mean, go try to pull out 30 grand. Trust me. I got lots of questions for you. Anyway, that's the deal. That's why the alt season is exciting for me. And that's why we're going to continue killing it with GlobalBoost. Come to Vienna, Austria, Schönbrunn Palace, October 11th to 12th. See you soon.